Hello everybody, it's Blockcook, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw boxes in ThinkOrSwim, just like this one right here and this one right here. So, what you're going to do is you're going to load up ThinkOrSwim right here, and you're going to go to the drawing section in the top right corner up here. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to click where it says Drawing Tools, and you're going to click on this button right here. This is the rectangle option. You're going to click on that, and now we're going to draw our box. So right here, we're seeing a lot of, especially if we zoom out, we're seeing quite a bit of resistance around here, it seems like. So we're going to draw a box. We're going to zoom in a little bit, and we're going to draw a box up here. Actually, we're going to use this one. We're going to left click to put the beginning position, and then you're just going to drag it, and look, you can see us dragging it, and we're just going to drag it down here, and then we're going to left click again, and that's going to set our box. So there we go, we have our box set, and now that we have it set, I'm going to show you how to change a few of the settings on it. So to do that, you're going to right click on the box, and you want to make sure you don't right click on like any of these other lines here. You're going to click where it says edit properties, and here's where you can edit all the properties. First thing we're going to do is change the color to red. So that'll do that, and then you can also make it more transparent, because if you click OK right now, you can see that it is very bright. So we're gonna make it more transparent, so you can click on this more button down here, and you can choose all these different colors too. But if you click on this HSV button, you can drag this transparency to about 50% and click OK, and then click OK again, and now I can see it's much easier to see the other lines because it's more transparent. Another thing you can do is you can make it extend forever. So to do that, pretty much what we're going to do is you're going to click on this calendar button right here where it says the date at the bottom. And what you're going to do is you are going to go ahead and click this little arrow. So it says March 2025. You click this arrow right here, the two arrows, it's going to go to March 2026. You can just click on any day pretty much and click OK. And then it's going to adjust it. Now, as you can see, it did move our point a little bit, so it's, but as you can see, the value is still the same. Another thing that we can do here is you can name the rectangle. So we're going to just name this resistance. Hopefully I'm spelling that right. There we go. And then those are just some ways that you can draw a box. And then, of course, if you want to remove it, you can just right click on it, and then down here you can click remove drawing right here, and it's going to make it go away. And that's pretty much all you have to do in order to draw a box in ThinkOrSwim. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.